In today's video, we're going to see if you encounter the fetching account data from platform being stuck error on Call of Duty Black Ops 6, how you can fix it. So first of all, what you can do is you can turn your console or the device you're using off. You can turn it on again, since that sometimes fixes this issue. If it doesn't, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you need to clear your console cache. What you need to do is, if it's coming on your PlayStation or Xbox, you'll just have to clear your cache. To do this, you'll simply just full power down your console, you will unplug it from the power source, and then you will wait for 5 minutes before turning it back on. If that doesn't fix it, what you will do is you can reboot your PC or console. It is another effective way to fix this error. You will reboot your device. You can reboot the game as well. And if the problem is resolved, that would be great. If not, then you can check Call of Duty Black Ops 6 server status, since sometimes this error could be related to that as well. If it's not properly working, if it's not, then that means the error is from their side. And when their servers start running efficiently, this error would eradicate. If it's still not fixed, then your method 4 is that you can review antivirus and firewall settings, since your PC's antivirus or firewall software may be blocking your access to Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So if the problem is within your antivirus or firewall, you will add Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to its whitelist. That would eradicate this problem, and if the problem is related to that, your error should be fixed. If not that, then you can switch to another different internet connection. If your original internet connection is poor, you can try on an internet connection that is better. Hopefully that can solve the issue. If not, then if you have a PC, if you're running this on PC, you can run Call of Duty Black Ops 6 in administrator mode on PC. You'll basically open Call of Duty Black Ops 6 folder and right click Modern Warfare EXE. Then you will click Properties and select the Compatibility tab. You will then go to Options. Then you will tick the checkbox next to run this program as administrator. You will click Apply and then you will reload the game. So basically, these are your different solutions to this error. If not that, I would suggest you to contact help. You will contact support, and if it doesn't work, then you can see what to do. You can basically contact them, you can check their servers, but these are the solutions for this problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.